on the phone line by Mr. Sameer Wankhede in the case that's ongoing in court. Mr. Wankhede, thank you so much for speaking with NDTV. We know that the hearing is going on in court, but what can you share with us on this complaint filed by you, this petition filed by you?
See, madam, regarding the case details, already the matter is sub judice before the Honorable Delhi High Court. So regarding the details and the nitty-gritties, I cannot share because I don't want to intervene in the procedure of the court if I say anything. But just I would like to say two things. Number one is, this is a suit which I have filed basically for the honor of my family, because continuously trolls, threats which are coming from countries like Pakistan, from UAE, to my wife, to my sister, to my family. Secondly, I am fighting for the honor of the uniform and the law enforcement agencies who are toiling, giving their blood to serve the nation, and they cannot be humiliated like that, and they cannot be trolled like that. And thirdly, I'm fighting for the right, and I'm fighting for the honor of a national emblem, Satyamev Jayate, which cannot be mocked and made fun of.
So, sir, what are you expecting through this case? What is your demand through this case?
I'm just expecting justice. And whatever, my prayers are there, so that is placed before the Honorable High Court.
Could you just take us through the exact allegations you've raised through your petition?
Madam, I'm sorry, you might be knowing when the matter is sub judice, I cannot comment anything like that, ma'am.
So is this a fight more for your personal reputation, sir? Or is it more to do with the principle of accountability?
It is about accountability also. It is about the honor of Satyamev Jayate, our national emblem. It is the honor about my family, and it is the honor about the department and the uniform services and the law enforcement agencies, which are doing their job and which are being made fun and trolled.
Mr. Wankhede, when you say there are threats against you and your family, could you elaborate on that?
Madam, it won't be fine to talk those things on the national TV. But if you see, in my petitions, I've annexed more than 100 pages regarding those things. Those are completely, things which no woman, things which no individual can, in fact, read and listen also. So you can just go through the petition, and I've submitted that before the Honorable High Court, and we today appreciated those things.
Mr. Wankhede, very often you've had people accusing you of targeting Bollywood. What would you say on that?
I would just like to say Satyamev Jayate.
No, but you have a lot of people who have also said that this case is a case of personal vendetta. I'm just playing the devil's advocate here, but I want to understand from you, what is your response to that claim made by people?
I cannot, I'm not in a position basically when the matter is sub judice to, comment on all these kind of things. Whatever is the truth, these things are pending and it will come out soon, as things have been coming out, in the Honorable Court.
All right, so you can't talk much about the case and the proceedings, I get that. So let's ask you, what was your first reaction when you saw the OTT by Aryan Khan, directed by Aryan Khan, where you're alleging that you have been portrayed in a negative way?
Madam, I cannot say any of those things because those things are, I've taken those things in the Honorable High Court.
So can you at least react? Can you at least react on the proceedings in court today?
Whatever I want to say, I'll say in the Honorable Court.
Mr. Wankhede, today the court has taken in your case. They have asked for a response from the other side.
Right.
So this is a development in the case. What is your reaction to at least that?
My reaction, as said earlier also, Satyamev Jayate. That's it.
So how's your family reacting to the news of this OTT where you've claimed that you've been portrayed in a negative light? Can you tell us about the conversations you've had back home?
See, family, as it is, they have been, very kind of, first thing, very sensitive regarding these kind of things. Whenever any, for any woman, any such kind of negative talks or troll comes, so definitely they feel bad about it. But nonetheless, they have faith in the judiciary, they have the faith in the national system, and we will expect a will win.
But Mr. Wankhede, why can't we look at this show as a satire? Why can't we look at it from an objective point of view then?
Madam, sorry, I cannot answer. I have given all those things in my plea. You can just go through that. And, I'll say whatever I want to say in the Honorable Court.
All right, Mr. Wankhede, before I let you go, if you could also talk about the objections your family has raised to this OTT.
No, my family only, whatever is there, the threat, the trolls, whatever is there, that has been annexed in the petition, and which are running more than 100 pages, what I suppose. More than 100 posts are there, more than 100, links are there, series are there. So you can see yourself what kind of talks, they are facing or what kind of trolls or hate mail they are facing.
Mr. Wankhede, a question that has often also been asked through critics is that have you targeted Aryan Khan because he's a celebrity's son?
I'm not saying anything, madam, regarding these things. These things are as sub judice before the Honorable Delhi High Court as well as Honorable Bombay High Court also. So I would not like to say anything on that.
All right, so if we can just talk about the story, the OTT itself, and you can just divulge what details you can in this case.
No, madam, sorry. I'm really sorry. I can't say anything about the case. I hope you appreciate that.
All right, if you can just tell us what are the reactions around you when you filed this case, sir, that you know of? The criticism you faced.
For, by whenever such things happen, so the people who are serving the nation, all the officers who are on the field, those who are part of the, drive against the anti-drug kind of thing. So definitely these things hurt, and but satire is a different thing altogether, but humiliating the officers who have given blood to the nation, who are fighting against a very serious topic of anti-drug activity. You know that drug is a scourge of the nation. So whenever such things happen, so definitely the officers also feel bad about it.
All right. So my next question to you is, what outcome are you expecting from this case?
I have to leave, madam. I have to leave. I'm really sorry. And
just a few more questions, Mr. Wankhede, and they have nothing to really do with the content of the case you're fighting. If I may. Mr. Wankhede, are you ready to take this fight to its end? It might just be a very long legal battle that you have to fight.
Madam, however long it takes, I'm ready to fight that because it is a matter of justice, truth, national justice also, as well as my family honor also. So I'll fight to the hilt.
And if the judgment goes against you, sir, how long are you ready to fight? What will be your next step?
I respect the honorable judiciary and I have full trust on the honorable judiciary.
All right, Mr. Wankhede, thank you for joining us there.
Really appreciate.
All right, Mr. Wankhede, they're not divulging much on the case itself and not even answering some of our questions. They're saying that the case is in court.